In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Disney Plus network error. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Make sure your device is connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile network. You can switch between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Also, you can enable airplane mode for a few seconds and disable it. This will refresh your network. Next thing you want to do is restart your streaming device, smartphone or smart TV or computer to refresh the network settings. Next, make sure the Disney Plus app is updated to its latest version. Head over to App Store or Play Store, search for the app Disney Plus. If you see the option Update, click on it. Next, clear cache for the Disney Plus app. So launch Settings, go to General, click on iPhone Storage. From the list of apps, find Disney Plus and launch it. Now click on Offload app and confirm it. Then click on Reinstall app. With these, your problem might be fixed. If still you are having the issue, check whether you are connected to any VPN or proxy. In that case, you will need to disable it temporarily. Next, reset network settings. Go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on Reset Network Settings and complete the process. By following all these steps, your problem will be resolved. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.